I feel like the platform is going in a different direction. LinkedIn isn't what it used to be just last year. LinkedIn is an entirely new beast now.
A lot of you probably think LinkedIn is crowded, and some of this perception comes from the fact that LinkedIn is getting more intentional about trying to promote folks to come on and create content. They've rolled out a whole separate experience for video, but there's no question that it's the biggest business audience, and there is also data to support that it's probably has the least content competition of any of the major social platforms. That's right, on LinkedIn, just a teeny tiny fraction of the users actually post, and that means there's a massive opportunity for you. So one of the things I want to reveal to you is this LinkedIn secret that most people are overlooking. While folks are chasing likes and views on platforms like YouTube and X and Facebook, they're ignoring LinkedIn, which might just be the best platform for growing your brand or business. So what's the reason? Well, the first reason is almost nobody is posting. Cuts down on the competition. Even large platforms like YouTube and Facebook and X still conform to this 1% rule, which only about 1% of the actual monthly active users are contributing any sort of content. But in the case of LinkedIn, you have this additional value proposition. Not only are there few to no content creators to give you competition, but at the same time, it has the most valuable audience. Unlike YouTube, Facebook, or X, where their users are often there for entertainment or maybe drama, LinkedIn is where decision makers are. These are people who can buy from you, they can hire you, they can invest in you. That means if you're creating content here, you have a massive advantage. You're competing with fewer people, but you're speaking to a much higher quality audience. So here's how to leverage this 1% rule and this insight of the what I call the silent community, which is LinkedIn. So what do? Post consistently. Don't let low engagement discourage you. They're there, they're watching, they are the silent community. Speak to your industry. Your audience is listening, even if they're silent. Talk to the business, talk to the industry. Allow your focus to narrow on the areas that you serve, the businesses, the industry, the vertical, and those people will be attracted into you. Again, don't get overly concerned with low engagement. They are listening. They are the silent community. And then, of course, make it easy to start a conversation. Encourage people to direct message you and to reach out to you instead of just chasing through the comments. Encourage them to direct message you, potentially even offering them lead magnets. Hey, direct message me if you want a more detailed version of whatever I'm presenting, or direct message me if you would like to see how I did this or the tool that I used. Give them some incentive to direct message you and maybe even go beyond the comments. Again, a lot of these folks don't want to put their sort of needs and wants into the public comments, but if you invite them into your direct message, you will start that conversation. So if this makes sense to you, let me know. Whether it's a comment or you want to give me that silent direct message, I'd love to talk more about the strategies and building influence on this high value space. Go ahead, of course, hit follow. Trust me, your audience is here. You just got to start talking to them. Encourage you to engage in this silent but powerful community.